How to change picture aspect ratio for camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, at the top, tap on the ratio button. And from here, you can choose a 3:4 ratio or 9:16. So this is 9:16. It goes all the way down here. If we change it to 1:1, it is a square picture. So if I take a picture, so I turn off the timer now, and if I take a picture, you can see this is a square picture, 1:1. The last option is the full screen, so your picture will go all the way to the whole screen. So whatever your screen size or the screen resolution is, it will take up the whole screen. And when I open up the pictures, you can see it is the size of the pictures will be a full screen. And if I go to information, it's said here my picture size is 1848 by 4000. And that's it. So that is how you can change the picture aspect ratio for camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.